Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about financial services credit card scoring system using data mining. Abstract: credit scoring procedures used by the most financial service organizations, especially the banking sector, to classify their customer based granting risk methodology. Loan types discussed in the paper can vary from bank to bank, such as housing loans, car loans, or personal loans. Various data mining techniques will be used to analyze and evaluate these loans to enable the bank to grant the loans with minimum risk to customer that can pay for the loan based on their predefined and approved agreement between the bank and its customer. Data mining technique and their issue with the credit scoring system will be recovered through experiments using data mining techniques, and credit scoring technique using the both statistical and advanced technique by chosen bank credits loan dataset for training and testing. To evaluate the performance using the machine learning, our proposed method we have developed the random forest classifier to detect the credit card scoring and estimate the performance in terms of accuracy. Now we are going to see our project flow diagram. Our process is going to start with data selection and loading. Here we are going to select data based upon the banking sector, and then second module is the data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means cleaning our data set, and then data splitting. Data splitting means here we are going to split our data into training part and testing part. And then classification we are going to implement the algorithm. We have used two algorithms, one is random forest and another one is artificial neural network. And then prediction, in that prediction we are going to check the algorithm performance, and then by giving a random input we are going to predict the credit card score level. After that we are going to apply in the web application by using the Flask. Now we are going to see our project output. We have 6 modules in our process, and our first module is data selection and loading. Here we are going to implement our data into the process by using the pandas library, and then we are going to view the sample input data. After that we are going to check the information about our data by using the describe function. And then our second module is a data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means cleaning our data set. First we are going to check whether any null values is present in our data, and then we are going to fill that null value with a 0 or any other values. After that we are going to drop the unwanted columns, that is unwanted data, by using the drop function. And then we are going to do a label encoding. Label encoding means converting our labels into from categorical to numerical. And then third module is data splitting. Here we are going to split our data into training part and a testing part. Training part is to train an algorithm, testing part is for prediction purpose. After that classification, here we have used two algorithms, ANN and a random forest. Our random forest is our proposed algorithm. First we are going to see about a random forest. Random forest is a supervised machine learning algorithm which is used for both classification and regression purpose, and it is a ensemble learning. Random forest is a classifier that contains a number of decision tree on the various subset of given data, and it takes the decision by based upon our average of our data. And then here is a confusion matrix of our random forest, which is a true positive, true negative, false negative values. This is the heat map of our confusion matrix. And then we are going to check the accuracy of our random forest, which gives 98.76%. After that we are going to see the classification report of our random forest algorithm. Here we can check the precision, recall and F1 score values. Precision means total number of correct prediction. Recall means correct prediction at particular instant. F1 score means average between the precision and recall. And then ANN algorithm. ANN algorithm is a deep learning algorithm which is similar to the human brains, that has a neurons interconnected to another one. And artificial neural network also have a neurons that also interconnected with each nerves. Here we are going to form a model based upon our sequential and dense layers. This is our model summary, and then we are going to give 3 approaches, that is 3 times we are going to iterate our data. This is the confusion matrix of our ANN algorithm, and it gives the accuracy 18%. After that, we are going to compare the accuracy between our proposed and the existing algorithm. Our proposed algorithm random forest gives a better accuracy than existing. By giving a random input, we are going to predict the output, whether it is poor or normal or high. Thank you.